Welcome to Smart Conserver.
Let's talk about other consumables in the house that we waste. Let's talk about that cooking gas. Now tell me, say you never waste it, or you never know that was even possible. Well, let me tell you how to conserve that cooking gas so it lasts you longer. Here are some points. 1. Gas leak. Sometimes it's possible that your gas is leaking, but you can't notice it because your kitchen has so many ventilations, or it's not leaking that much. But even that small leakage leads to waste of gas. So, check your burners and those pipes regularly to ensure that none of them is leaking. 2. Cover your pots when cooking. As easy as it sounds, it really helps to save your gas, Yet, at times, we just have the pots on the fire with no lids. Even if you're boiling water, cover the pot. It helps by reducing the loss of heat. If you leave the pot without lids, it makes the cooking process longer. You see the gas wastage? 3. Get everything ready before cooking. How many times you light the stove before getting the things ready? We need to make it a habit of preparing everything you need and putting all of the things you need in near reach to avoid leaving the burner on as you get the ingredients ready. 4. Overcooking. So you're cooking a little rice and you're gone for long, causing that rice to burn. You know you waste gas, right? Or you're boiling liquor food and put too much water in the pot, so the gas is used for a longer period to bring that water to a boil. You see the little things that you can do to save that gas? 5. Make sure the bottom of your pot covers the burner. The stove nowadays are coming with various size burners, and you use that little pot on the biggest burner so the flames come to the side. You're wasting gas. That's a waste. 6. Wipe your utensils before you use. So, you want to fry an egg, and you wash out that frying pot and just place it on the stove, allowing the excess water to be dried out by the flame. Yes, you think it only takes a few seconds to dry, but even the least of action when it comes to saving really matter. So if you use wet utensils every time you're cooking, you end up wasting a lot of gas. Just wipe those pots or frying pan before placing them on the fire. 7. Overheating. So you decide to warm a little tea. Why heat it so much if you must wait for it to cool down for you to drink it? Just warm whatever you need to the required temperature to save your gas. 8. Clean the outer surface of your pans. Please, wash the outer surface of your pot and pans properly. If you don't, then you will have a buildup of soot accumulating on the surface, and this soot will reduce the pot's ability to conduct heat. Please, people, conservation with other household consumables, including cooking gas amongst other things, can save you a whole lot. Just try the tips and see if that cooking gas don't last you longer. Be sure to write down the start and end dates of using these gas.
You have come to the end of another series. Join us next time for more ways to conserve.